more advanced data science capabilities to visualize data. I need to use visuals that do not exist out of the box as part of Power BI. So here I have Power BI open. So if you have used Power BI before, you might have noticed that we have these visuals available. But if you want to use more advanced visuals, then you could go with the marketplace option, get more visuals, but you might not see every visual there. And that is where you can use this Python option in Power BI. So data scientists can use Python visual. I already actually have some visuals added here. So this is not available out of the box. This is a box plot, the box plot visual, and actually it's this Python visual. And you can see that we have code in Python here. So Power BI lets you visualize data as a data scientist by writing code in Python. So you get to use this regular Python-based libraries such as matplotlib, seaborn, and whatnot.